Dowie, you not style, man. You left her from before 8, and you say you soon come. You can't come out of my house and gone me and your mother, I don't know where you're gone. You not beat me. So I'm licking at your blood clot. And out of respect, you know, let my back and I respect that. But remember, you rush blood clot me in this. I may have scratch it can blood clot show. Remember you beat people, girl, blood clot pin. When you come show in the internet, I look blood clot for you deserve what you get, boy.
Still I run but no far from problems. Plug still a fall from my hands them. Still I feel every scratch from the badness. Can't get for job to family.
This video is brought to you by Morris Structure. Visit Morris Structure for all your construction need. Think it, will build it. Visit Morris Structure on Instagram at Morris Structure. Or shoot us a WhatsApp message 1-876-820-4047. Morris Structure for all your construction need. Think it, we'll build it.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first you check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. So people, Dowie and Queenie kind of pull apart and there's this big brawl on the internet.
Dowie, you not style, man. You left her from before 8, and you say you soon come. You say your baby mother said the only way you can see your son unless you break up with me. And your mother agree with it. But let me tell you this, me alone now stay here, sir. And my brains are got 100 miles a minute. I'm ashamed because of what people are going to say. Because my name done out there already, so I'm finally let Trisha. A bad man, you bad man, because of the love of you see me show your baby father. And as to Dowie and mother, we are constantly tell Dowie to go back to Jamaica. You live America, the two live America, and you never make it possible for Dowie reach. I'm going to take him out of the slum for better himself, and the whole on the turn against blood clot me. But none of you can make me feel guilty. Me proud of myself. I'm a proud son of murder and send for him. And now we separate him, take up from morning, him gone 8 o'clock, say him soon come back. Me not take disrespect. I mean I use no shame face. You can't come out of my house and gone me and your mother. I mean I know where you're gone.
So apparently, Queenie bust up Dowie head.
Still a bleed, yeah.
Queenie then went on her live and explained everything. People, check this out.
I put out so much effort and I want him give a flying blood clot fuck and I not get no life sentence. And you walk out of my life, you're not gonna stay one side and touch me and me shut down. Me I don't know no blood clot. Cause you know hear my hand. So when you make this, to make your mother feel good. The truth lies within you, your mother and me. Me never diss your mother. You always say your mother, my mama more faith and terrible like you and true she turn Christian. Me hear your mother talk on the phone and chip clot. But when she hear your chip clot, she mistakenly, you know Christian sometimes them still chip clot. So when you run joke with her and say, fuck off then if you don't miss me. And she block you. And when you come at Jamaica, remember when we down there for the holiday do it? Because you not talk. She not tell me happy anniversary. I'm a page her about it. And because she hear me and you argue, she block me. And you see a man say, my mother block you. I say, your mother black blood clot me, but me delete her. Remember do it? Don't come play innocent. You hype on me say your mother black me. And I say, do it? Everybody come around me idolize you. My mother love you dearly, so you come talk from blood clot if you never miss that mommy DJ. My mother never get involved in a me and you yet, so you can't decide. My mother is a real woman. If anything happens, she get the two away and talk to it. But your mother take you one side and put dribble around your neck and you repeat. Nobody can tell me enough for blood clot talk. You put big blood clots up on your head.
Get family in a relationship.
You do get family into your relationship. That's why you don't talk to your dad. Me have all the message where your father message me and say, Queenie man, I can't hear from my son. From the last time I talked to my son, he's not picking up and send me how much message. And I said, Dowie, life short, baby. So I said, I see if you the teeth of tree the fat as a coal. And when you're ready to treat back the same mama cold, me know how you deal with my cold, so I deal with your cholera. Do we have a cold boy? When you're your same mother with the have nothing, no matter how she reach the blood clot, you say, now ask me that about him, Queenie, no credit, that's why I call you. That the boy them not answer me. You see, because I sit down and observe you, and the people them where you love dearly, after you do them do it. Me sit down and nah blood clot take it no longer, cause same how you do your mother, your father, same thing you do. Me don't paint no picture, yes sir. Me might not said it all right, but 90 blood clot, 8% of what me say is correct. Answer me, no man. You come and make blood clot internet for like a dolly blood clot, also no say me a vagaram. And me a whole blood clot skirmish and me and no body. So how you make the same this?
Listen, me know not about get family in a relationship. If you and my wife have nothing, and you reach a point where you
Me know your wife.
and my wife,
Me no want to be a blood clot wife. It's up for blood clot end. Cause you live in denial. Is either you don't want to be with me, or you make your mother full up your head, but something not right and me not take it. I value me too much. I prefer stay with my cantankerous, miserable blood clot if I don't track me. I always say about this messy, and moving the blood clot in the life, messy and disturbed and afraid to talk. So no love blood clot, me and cover my mouth with no duct tape. Shame. Nuts come out of my pussy and that's a moan. And that's call me and say, mommy, please, me don't like this. I'm saying, you can't tell me that. So, am I putting on my pin in front of no. Go, man. I'm moving up canal with blood clot. Why shut me down from a fucking mad. And then I shut me the blood clot down. Do you done me wrong and you turn your back for me. And this way you do piss me off the fuck more. But to me, this your mother. Boy, me tell him I got this your blood clot mother if you not drop your blood clot pants. You get warning. For we come back from Jamaica the 25th of blood clot march till now. Remember, all when them a bash blood clot me, we have a own issue yes, so when nobody no know. And them a bash about when that happen. And you never pull up your socks. So don't make it look like you have clothes. Come take your blood clot clothes if you want them. I don't want them do it. I mean, I need for all and pan, nothing what you have. It's not about that. All and pan blood clot where you have, you know what, all and pan me. Fuck that. Anybody not in me, me not in them. And they say, Rich, you not in a blood clot me, I'm not force you to in me. And you scare me now. You talk about look better, you don't bust up my blood clot forehead. I want to remember when me fight a blood clot, poor man, I lost my 100,000. Do it talk now, man, you come show a blood clot cut. Talk now, do it. You hear me come? Internet, me hold that. Talk now, do it. But you not get mother involved. You do. Oh, you come talk about your mother not do wrong anymore. I think me ask go for my daughter. We have her 2 pennies and no cap for go for her. Me go there, stand up to Shana, be my father. And try cause justice. Not to separate them and them live in a blood clot sorrows among towards them. You done me wrong. I'ma tell you, don't test me, do it. He's very blood clot. Hello? Hello?
hello,
Mother Pam alive.
Yeah.
Mother Pam live. What happened?
alright, may I come from live?
Since I can't everybody about don't talk about the whole of your business and can't per internet. Then if me have the blood clot man to talk to me, what the fuck can I do? The mama despise me. Him despise me. Me don't have no cousin them number. Me don't have no friend them blood clot number. So the extra me I gotta do. Stay in your mad on the laugh on the blood clot mad me. Me a mad. Me a mad uno. You can't come at me as a big married woman and see me have blood clot certification and I go say me terrible. I should go per internet go this your mother. But you go per internet and explain. So who me then? Who the fuck me is? How me feel? You don't care about how you feel or how your mother feel? So me no must blood clot bash you. But my wife, when me and my wife have something, when you eat your blood clot wife, I'm afraid of your wife and have to hide for your wife and give message through internet. That is very bad. With 6 in the blood clot, black girl, bro, crown. 6 and watch your whole head. Talk no blood clot. When me dash the blood clot ring at Jamaica before I married do it. And tell him I don't want blood clot married the day when we go up and pussy clot. Where my name? The little black man. The little show at Jamaica. Where's up name, man? On stage. Talk not do it. You come talk about me. And I take responsibility for your action and I come show head. Talk out when we go on stage, me and you war to blood clot and me saw a man pan. Where place there where you come from? Where you come from? Bridgeport on the high street. I'ma pull up on the man foot one black man and your friend. I'ma say to the man, say, me no better want married to do it. You have to shame for show people that. You know better than clatter when me lick pan blood clot. So me can't show you blood clot injury. The two were violent and nasty in a blood clot. But the difference is, you always hold back and I respect you for that. Cause you that kill my blood clot cause you strong na pussy hole. Remember when you drop me a blood clot gun at Jamaica and drop my blood clot here and the leather, iron leather, don't blood clot come play like you're good as to do it. That's why you can't manage me. Cause you don't try to. Cause you don't believe in yourself. You don't have no self-worth. You don't have no self-motivation. So I can't tell you any blood clotting and you turn weak like one blood clot rat. And because my sister you're weak, I stand by you. But my sister you turn it on pan blood clot me like you're more than me. Don't do it, do it. Talk no man. Any blood clot you take live and say anything, me have whole heap of things to dig up. Don't ramp with me do it. Me not play a blood clot game. Me not have no secret or nothing for blood clot dig up. Any blood clot man me fuck before you know me tell blood clot you. So anybody who want bring no news, all if I borrow fuck, buy fuck or thief, blood clot fuck, me make sure I tell you. Me not have no blood clot nothing in my closet do it. You're now married to me. And deal with me son. And run me from a blood clot marriage. The pastor did ask if you want counseling before you're married. And you said no. When the paper expired, it's a crazy the paper expired. I said, do we never know if it can have expired date? So, oh no, you can't talk to me. You have your alternate blood clot plan. Girl flying on your head. Or people flying on your blood clot head. So you feel like you can't take it on with them, but them are misleading. They are the devil. They let devil take charge of you because them say you're weak. I mean, now I'm going to make the devil weakness jump off of you when you have fuck me and jump in and me do it. That's why I'm a disgrace to know myself. So stay by my blood clot self and protect my energy do it. The devil rule you. Many times. Saturday night when we're there, good as in at the go-go club, I'm going to look over upon my husband. I see the whole world upon him head. And I say, what more can I do for this man? I go cry cree. I try too much. You know blood clot try you run. Go ahead. Why you come to a bed like the big pussy blood clot girl them will follow you where I wait for your blood clot cocky forget them pussy swink. And them I go pacify blood clot. Enough woman are targeting a blood clot this. So if you look on them where I look fuck off and you have hopes in you. Where them pussy the day they jump long time. Them can blood clot tell you fucker. Me not tell you no fucker. Everything when me talk make sense. And no matter what me left there, anytime your blood clot can face me, I left more out of the bag. So you decide what you blood clot want. Yesterday me done, you know. But me wait this morning and see say, you know, blood clot acknowledge me again. Me start. So me go say, who I go crash who? Because the two way I crash with blood clot one another. Me not right and you not wrong. Me not right and you not right. Me not wrong and you not wrong. The two we. Me not wrong and you not wrong. The two we is one. So if the two we can come together and separate, come together and unite, it then chug a blood clot long and nobody can tell me done. You make when anything happen, me feel threatened, said, me I forgot unto you, me no know which part of them, me no know which angle for turn. So me take it to the social media. You not sit down and protect your blood clot mother and not protect your wife. Your mother live her own life. She not supposed to inna this. She not have nothing to do with blood clot, me and you. You come make video. And a whole head, not the blood clot, you're tough like blood clot cassava. You can't trick them. Me beat up your blood clot back for the girl them where you beat up. Move your blood clot. The girl them a put more where you beat the way. Me licking at your blood clot back for them. Don't make a call the girl them blood clot name cause them dep on my page and them know them blood clot self do it. You not beat blood clot me. You not beat me. So I'm licking at your blood clot. And out of respect, you know, let my back and I respect that. But remember, you rush blood clot me in this. I may have scratch it can blood clot sure. Remember, you beat people, girl, blood clot pin. Where you come show in the internet and look blood clot for. You deserve what you get, boy. Wanna kiss out the last part of blood clot me. Whenever the girl fight for blood clot, them right it. Well, that's me. If you see if it was my blood clot man, it to somebody, I'm a husband. You're fucking rude and bright. But you go on internet. You think a dolly blood clot house me run? Or you reach and make blood clot video and size up with big pussy blood clot me. Now you for be the man in this. And take charge and get me. If you want to get an army because you're afraid of blood clot me. Now you for know what to do. But you have to face me. One blood clot we are there. If I not today, tomorrow. And if I not tomorrow, next year. So all of this you now make it no writer. And all you talk about me this your blood clot mother. Liar your mama tell me this your mother per internet. Not to her ears. Come here you the war instantly. You wouldn't sit tell no tears right now. Because the ignorance way in you because you love your mother do it. I'm nothing wrong with that. But you make your mother lead you astray. When me say, oh that. You know you spoil the way you have to make the way man up here, you know. Me know everybody tell me so crazy. No, that is not good. I see if you love up your son and take care of your son, nothing wrong with that. But don't be a back and belly rat to your son and say things to me about your son. And then after, when maybe remember right there, so the man I said to do it and him father said and him mother, I said do it, we talk up the things that you talk about your mother. Don't tell your mother say me the way me that's about her do it. That me set him right there, so right there to the doorway. And him chat it along and she send taxi fee him and them have me up. Them undermine all when me said to them say, me go reveal all when a blood clot talk say. Because my sister the boy I sink me with the mama. And she still undermine it out 3 weeks after my come on internet come talk when I want to talk. Don't talk to me this your mother. Because I respected your mom. And I try to rise above it. When me there country, for your anniversary, all when she not tell me happy anniversary, I say big up do it mother. We make him come on the land. Remember good no man? You know remember? I'ma come back at England on Mother's Day. You never put me up for Mother's Day, do it. You put up your mother. Remember good no do it. And people are speculate because Mother's Day, right? If you tell your mother, say me that shut up on the plane. Remember do it. I'ma say, come out of my blood clot house and go to your mother. If you go tell your mama when me that chat say your wife and not secure me. After that, me and him sort out and I said, do it. Do not bring your mom name up to me. Do it. I will disrespect your mother, do it. Come and say your mother tear down my marriage. And him tell me do it and him not care. So now you come a blood clot about your mother supposed to send taxi for you. That make it right for you, do? How much taxi shall I send if you catch a people blood clot you do it? That make you feel like one fool, like I'm married to the greatest fool, do it? That's how you make me fool. When you get up and say, my mother will, what the emerald, my mother will manage me. And I manage me, you know. When I serve for blood clot, do it, doing a serve for himself. Nobody dictate to the queen. Nobody tell me when to done. I'm a husband, me a chat, and if him no care for me done, me not blood clot done, me a drag him, me bitter, me wicked, and me evilous, me danger blood clot us. Remember, I'm a boyfriend and girlfriend this. I'm married. You hear that? So don't come paint no picture, come pretty up nothing and come talk nothing from do it. Me not have to tell lie. Even me exaggerate, me correct back my blood clot self. Me real as a core. Now as a big 32-year-old man, what this here do? Sympathy. Patronizing hypocrite. You understand? He's a patronizing blood clot hypocrite and a smoke and a play a song. No do it. That no mean nothing. But still there you saw rat. And you make me a dip up on the blood clot you more. Remember my 100,000? Remember the 100,000 when I last. Remember blood clot do it. So come play a blood clot innocent so. Do it don't make a dip up under your blood clot or me have to bite off your blood clot's big finger when me do the next video mountain top. When you grab blood clot me in the bed and fight me. For a blood clot man who don't even tell me I'm sexy. And I say, do it, stop it. And I say, oh, this, that. And when your finger catching on my blood clot, man, remember not do it when your mama come out? Where you come show them blood clot this, so where you prove for me violent and the two way blood clot violent. Don't go difference, you know, quick and fast like me. I remember when you rush blood clot me, I put more and the sit drop down the way. I'm a ball of murder! I say, me, what you crazy? I say, my husband. And him say, shut up and stop your eyes. And that make me smile and shut up. You don't reprimand me. You run away and target yourself. And sorry for your blood clot self. This is going to make you stronger when you eat blood clot me. It's going to make you stronger. And you know if you deal with your next relationship. No relationship, not perfect. But there's no communication, there's no relationship. You're fucking fully agree come talk about your shut down. Then if you're shut down, you know, sister, me I go shut blood clot out. You make sense? This justify what you do? That's what you say. You lock on me. And the lock where you lock up on blood clot, me not have no choice. I left by my own, so I'm going back single. So fuck everything. And that's the ammunition. When I say, do you want me in divorce you? You say anything what you want to do crazy. I'll let me take as an insult. You understand? So for the 14,000 people where I watch blood clot, so I'm going to learn from this. And nobody no limit me when I for talk. Because I can't limit myself. I not rate no more than myself. I'm not loving no more than myself. I'm not powerful more than myself. I'm moving a blood clot. I'm not ashamed for phone a secret when I have a blood clot hide.
You understand? But the shut down a wearing, me not talk. Okay?
How much time you go shut down in a wearing you not talk? That make blood clot sense to my two man and shut down and not talk, but you talk to your mother and your friend them?
Listen me now not talk about.
Now tell me, reason with me now. Hear him say it all time out, and me tell him say me I talk to the boy for 9 hours, 12 hours, me not sleep. Why you want me to do? What do you think for me for do? When I eat that, me shut down. Him shut down. How the fuck you for shut down when we have an issue? I'm here your wife. If me shout the man not talk. If me whisper the man not talk. If me rub him down, me can get a phone call. What my God? Yeah man, me there. And the man them talk. I'ma wait for him till him done and then I bring up back the argument. So do you not talk to me, but you just talk to your brethren? Do you not want this? I'm say you know want blood clot. This time here you tell me I want to go back on my yard. I'm ready for go back on my yard. Me I say what? That alone make my heart heavy and I want your blood clot come out of my way. Cause I feel like me I hold you down. I feel like I take you and bully you and force you. So I feel sexy and cute with you. I feel like me a body up and a demand you. I don't like that. That's why I go all out. And right off your mama can share your weakness. If you like how me, you are my weakness, your mother your weakness, I'm a right you off. So if every time you remember, you can't blood clot have the guts to do it because you don't have no stability to stand up for what you believe in. You don't even know what you believe in. So I'm going to put you to the test, do it. Come a done blood clot. Pray to Father God. And tell Father God, me not sit down and bear this no longer. Remember on stage last year, February, not February just gone, and the February gone. Go up on stage and see me name in a red or white. Winfred Williams. Ask him, we never married yet. If man talk about the blood clot ring game. I ask him if man pull up a bid Bridgeport. Because do not talk to me. And the man I'm pull up at the bus stop too. I do a friend I don't know. I'm say look at that your energy and the man counsel and say, brother, you can't go with her and just stay there and not support her and not talk to her. Communication is the key. This is before we're married. Why you think I give up? Because I can't break him. I say do it, I can't break him. I'm too powerful. First time I can't get to you. You make me get frustrated. How much people when I know me look up to me and my words get to them. Do it down, blood clot talk foolishness. Remember good man, your brethren support I watch right now. Me no remember when name one black man, one thick man. And when we left and go up blood clot and still to go up on the interview, you give me back the ring. Cause remember me dash the ring do it. You give me back the ring. And I said to him, say, me never know say that will give me it back. We never married it at the engagement ring. Ask do it where the engagement ring there. Do me fight. Everybody say me take up a little piece of tail, boy. I'm if I left you for stuff all your mother tell me said, Queenie don't give me your money. Queenie don't help him, don't look out for Dowie. So me know what your mother give Dowie. So when you come talk, say me quick for this your mother, cause your mother this enough time with me and it hurt me cause you're my husband Dowie. I'ma tell you. Me say Dowie your mother that's show me think them and that's show you think them and no ask. And it hurt me Dowie. But you not care your target blood clot me do that's why I don't want you. Dowie I will eat my whole. One time mama called me and said to me, say she ate to Dowie beat me up at Portsmouth or Greater Portmore. Ask my mother. I made him open my mouth and him say, me said then Dowie can't beat me, ma'am. No make nobody twist your brain. Come in and bring my germs to my mother. You understand? If you reach a point time for call my mother, I would tell mama for call Dowie, because I don't think Dowie the answer my mother. That's how Dowie is. So not just since we come to England. Do we have a mentality? I said, do we see a mentality we have? You guys stay same place at 3 East with it. Ask him how much time I tell him so. Him have a shallow mind. So true, I love him and find this beauty in him and see say manageable and nice, I try. But there comes a time when him do a certain call. I don't want to do it. Because I screw up everything. Do it allow me to screw up everything. I tell Dowie, say, when Dowie tell me him never want me. When Ziggy tell me say him never happy with me. The only way I could have move on do it. If I take the internet and say I'm single now, it's no longer with Ziggy. Don't make it reach to that because you're not communicate with me. Don't come pretty up no story right now, do it. Every blood clot thing when I say I see me, so it go. You understand me? So this way you make. Just show say it's done so than me. Cause this not solve nothing.
Even not about get family
Them just care about what people are saying about me. We are dragging at the blood clot. I'm going to stop it and I show you some. I drag you for your blood clot. Stand up as a man and put a stoppage to it. I can't face blood clot, me. Talk to me nice, no? You know you're married to all just the blood clot, Bell. Is who that? Who that? Hello? Oh. You don't have no key? See if it works, come now and come downstairs. We have man stress. Eh? Is it working? I'll let you in. Fuck that. Did you get in? Okay, I'm in a bad mood, so I don't want to talk, okay? Have a great day. Thank you. What are you going to do? Paint? Oh, thank you. Oh, leave me alone, man. You know, you're telling me in a bad mood. Bugger chatting. I know good, man. I don't like no blood clot, buddy. Myself alone, I like right now. Yeah. The live done. A 20-second left. You know what? Blood clot contention. You run from me, you get contention. You hide from me and blood clot put you up, you get contention. May I come back live? I'm coming back. When it end, me I come back.
So people, tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. I know I say kind of weird still, but I have nothing to say towards this. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section below. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. Gone.